Hey guys, welcome. I've just finished another great trading session with binary options on Quodex. I've started with only $3. You want to find out where I got with that amount, what I used, what technical analysis, what strategies, etc. Watch this video till the end. We're starting right now. I'm Oliver. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna start straight away, guys. And $3 is on the first option for us. I'm using today Vortex, I'm using MACD as oscillators, and I'm using Parabolic SAR as the only indicator. And this short option is due to the MACD, is due to the Vortex, which shows the dominance of the red line, which represents the, of course, the downtrend. And yeah, also the SAR, Parabolic SAR, is also on top of the mark of the graph. So that means if we're below, we're in kind of a bearish mood. And also now it pushes us, resists pushing it down as well. So it's kind of a resisting point as well for us. But yeah, let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here's the profit, guys. We are in the game, right? We started with $3. It's $6 now. We're gonna keep pushing, and we're gonna try and make the compound percent work for us. So yeah, let's do the next option with $6. And let's have a look. We are actually as well for the short here. It's a similar situation. The SAR has just changed as well. So we are going for the short. And of course the Vortex also, and except for MACD it's not so decided yet. It kind of looks up a little bit, but yeah, it'll come around probably. Let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here's a profit, guys. $11, not a huge amount yet, but we're starting with something. We're starting with something, and it grows exponentially. So just look how it will use the compound percent to make this snowball effect, and the balance is going to grow exponentially. Let's move on. Let's continue. Right, so Vortex is actually switching some places there. Let's go ahead with $11. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This helps the channel enormously. Let's move on here. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and do another short, because everything is actually good for the short. I mean, SAR is for the short, MACD maybe for a pullback. Well, globally the downtrend is on as well, so let's hope this works out, because Vortex is switching some positions there, but we'll see in a second. Let's wait for it and continue. Hey, welcome to the first more or less good looking option here, and yeah, $22 is something to start with already. So after this, it's gonna just grow every time, because we have the percentage of the amount in the profit. So the next one is gonna be 92%, depending on which one we're gonna choose. But yeah, we're gonna create almost a double of the balance every time. So let's go to this one, for example, 92%. Let's find out. So $22. We're gonna go with another. Okay, so I think there's gonna be some resistance. So again, another short. I think the Parabolic SAR is resistant a bit now. So the idea here is, yeah, it's gonna go for a pullback at least, and then obviously everything else is also looking quite bearish, and globally a downtrend is on. So yeah, go figure. It's what it is. We're gonna wait for the result and continue. And here it is, guys, almost a double of the balance. And guess what? The next one is gonna be also almost a double. So this is how this snowball effect works. Obviously you need to be careful, because it's never 100% the option. You can only get so you can only get so lucky, and you can only get so correct. So be careful with what amount you're placing for the options. Okay, let's move on. $42 for the next doors, the next option. And what we see here, we see some nice growth actually, and everything is showing us that there is potential to the growth, to the long. And we're gonna go in with the call option for 1 minute. Let's wait for the result of it and continue. We have a profit, and you can see almost a double is $80. It was 92% payout again, and of course we're getting really close to a 3-figure. And this is amazing how it works actually. 80. So let's move on, let's push a little bit more, and righty. Guys, by the way, if you're unfamiliar how everything works, meaning indicators, oscillators, all that stuff, do check out the description of this video, because I leave an invitation link to a Telegram group of me and my team. We share years of experience in trading, not just with binary options, but with any options. Just this quick option here. So do check out the group, because you can learn a lot of stuff there. I've just made this put option, guys. You see that the downtrend is forming, and we entered right at the top of the pullback. So this is a really good point to enter. So yeah, let's wait for the result of this and see if we're correct with the decisions here. Here is the profit, guys, and we're into 3 figures. This is really outstanding results, considering we start with just a few bucks, and we're gonna try and keep pushing. It's risky, but just want to show you guys that you can get to really fun results here. Fun, I mean, like, the amounts can get pretty high depending how lucky you get, depending on the different stuff. So 154, and we continue with the next option. Of course, if you are not correct, you lose the amount. That's the cons. What do we have here? We're gonna go ahead and place another short, because basically the resistance is there, and I do work a lot from resistant levels, because they are quite strong. They affect the price really a lot in most cases, and more than the oscillator. So because the vortex, for example, it shows that the price is going up here, so the dominance is going to the green line there, and also the MACD. Well, it's not decisive either, so you gotta work off something. Of course, we have Parabolic SAR, which is below, which may act as a support for us also. That's another thing to keep in mind. But yeah, let's wait. And here it is. We didn't have to wait a lot because I usually talk through the whole time. But yeah, almost 300 we have from this one option. Amazing results. And what I'm gonna do is one or two more, guys. I just want to show you that if we can get to like 4 figures, that's gonna be like crazy good. So let's try it. So I need one or two more options. So let's go with a 296 first. 296. Choose the next victim. Something here. We have a downtrend going on. Vortex is there. Yeah, everything's further down. There's a lot of short options today. Although we have the Parabolic SAR, which is there kind of as a support, but I think we're gonna break through it. Also, MACD, as you can see, is about to cross the slower line down, which is a good indication usually for the price to go down. If everything else is also according, then yes. And it looks like it's gonna happen. So yeah, let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here is the profit, guys, and we're at the point where one more trade and we have our goal, which is 4 figures for this. Let's see if we are so lucky. So let's move on to the next option and let's switch to another currency. What I do, I switch to the currencies because, like here, for example, I would have to wait for this perfect moment, and it's boring to sit and wait around, and I just keep switching between the currencies, and that way we can look, for example, if we go here. Okay, so we see a flat market here, and we can guess. There is a resistance level there. So again, short. This it cannot break through. As you can see, it's in this flat situation, and it's not breaking through up. So it means it doesn't have enough power, or it doesn't have enough power yet, or it's gonna go for a pullback, or it would break it through already. So we're going with the short because it's not doing anything, because it's kind of fading, and that's an indication that it doesn't have enough power yet. So hopefully we can profit from this situation, and if we are lucky enough, we are gonna get our goal for today. Let's wait and continue. Here it is, guys. We got to our goal for today, 4 figures. We're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoy this. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.